Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's watercolor painting is of hands. Definitely it is said that hands is the most difficult thing to draw and paint, but I just adore the way mine turned out because I used a very basic technique for hands. Trust me, anyone get confused when we think that how to make hands 3D. But the thing I learned is that having a portion of the vein already pre-planned helped you a lot. For example, everything have a light and a darker values, but hands should have the darker values a little bit more darker, and the light values should be of the same range as of others, but we need to make our darker values look very brutal. And if we work precisely, we need to leave the portion of the veins already light. Like you are painting a hand, you can't just paint a hand very smoothly just in one paint and one wash. No, you have to work precisely by leaving the area of vein very light and untouched, and then you will glaze maybe a green veins or blue veins. I use green color because the reference picture have green veins. So what I did is that I glaze a green color, and then the magic happened. You will use the white color. I use white acrylic. You can use any color that is available to you, but I would like you to prefer a white color that may be in jelly roll or something like acrylic or gouache, but not a white watercolor. Use something that is more solid. Anyways, the magic happened where we use the white acrylic on the top of our green color, and it just start popping up. Your veins will start popping up. You will make the boundary of the veins more darker to make it look more beautiful, and in this way you will get your 3D veins, and definitely a hand will also start looking very beautiful. Now you have to do one more thing, that is glazing. You will glaze over it an orange color, and it will make your drawing look definitely more realistic and more beautiful. And glazing is a very powerful technique. It will make your veins, the veins of the hand, look like they are embedded inside the skin instead on the top of the skin. And guys, in the last, I will just go really very fast because I'm running out of time for this video, and it goes like, loving a woman for a lifetime is deciding to stay curious about her, not assuming you know her, not freezing her in a version you met. If you stop studying her, someone else eventually will. Learning about someone you love is the purest form of the love, and it is something that will take you to the highest value of the love. And this resonated with me when I was painting this. So if you like this painting and the way I talk, you can absolutely subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.